Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, remove the immediate triggers and set simple constraints. Once the kitchen is cleared, stock 3 replacement options: lean protein, high-fiber carbs, and controlled healthy fats. Make a quick decision rule: wait 20 minutes and drink 250-350 milliliters of water before acting. This buys you control and interrupts the automatic urge. You also want a short list of go-to snacks visible at eye level. Make choosing the healthy option easier than the old habit. Once done with setup, focus on replacing the loop. Build paced meals with 3 to 4 components per plate so fullness signals arrive before overindulging. When the usual cue appears, stress, boredom, or TV, substitute a 10-15 minute walk, a breathing break, or a short task. Make sure to log every urge: time, intensity from 1 to 10, and what you chose instead. That data retrains your brain by revealing patterns and rewarding successful substitutions over time. To finish the process, consolidate wins with weekly goals and non-food rewards. For example, save $10 per success toward a valued activity. Use half-portion swaps and pre-plated servings so you stop at a controlled amount, and plan protein-first meals to reduce fat cravings later. If you slip, do one key troubleshooting step: identify the exact trigger and reset the 20-minute water pause rule, then retry right away. This quick reset prevents guilt spirals and keeps progress steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.